Hi there, Mike.Cullmer here at Guaranty Chevrolet. Thank you for checking out our 2017 Colorado ZR2. Great part about this vehicle, it used to be the owner's wife. She just happened to get a brand new one called the Bison Edition. Great vehicle, great for off-roading. This happens to have pretty much every option you can get on it. So you got your leather, heated seats, backup camera. And one of the cool things is you can adjust your locking differentials in the front or the rear, both at the same or individually. And it does have a sliding rear window. You have a bed liner from the factory in it as well. Very nice vehicle. And it only has 12,000 miles on it. She has taken extremely good care of this vehicle. Be proud to sell it because she owned it. So all the tow equipment's on it as well. So do me a favor, if you're interested in this vehicle or any other vehicle, please give me a call. It is Mike.Cullmer here at Guaranty Chevrolet. Thank you.